In this tutorial, you will learn how to limit by article or publication type in PubMed to find the highest level of evidence available. Additionally, you will learn how to use clinical queries to get a quick answer to a clinically oriented question. When you need to research a clinical question, it's important to note not all evidence is created equal. Evidence sources are arranged in a hierarchy or pyramid, with the top level of evidence being a high-quality meta-analysis. Resources such as UpToDate, Dynamed, or textbooks summarize the available evidence and can be of value in getting a quick answer to a clinical question. It is important to note, however, that these resources can't answer all questions and can vary in quality, breadth, and timeliness. That is why it is important to know how to find the highest possible evidence to answer your question in a bibliographic database such as PubMed. You have a couple of options to narrow your search results to high-quality evidence in PubMed. One quick way is to use the article type filter. To understand how this filter works, let's discuss some of the unique features of bibliographic databases. In this type of database, records are entered in a uniform way with set fields such as title, abstract, and subject headings. When you search in PubMed, you are searching these fields and not the full text of the article. This can help your retrieval precision compared to a search engine like Google or Google Scholar. Subject headings are another common feature of bibliographic databases, and in PubMed, these are referred to as MESH, which stands for Medical Subject Headings. Subject headings are terms that indexers assign to citations to represent the key concepts of an article. These terms are controlled vocabulary. That is, each term represents a concept regardless of spelling or if it is referred to in multiple ways. For instance, heart attack is represented in MESH with the term myocardial infarction. So, if you search the MESH term myocardial infarction, you'll also retrieve citations that use the term heart attack if they have subject headings assigned to them. If you're doing a more complex search, understanding how subject headings work can be a great way of refining your results. For more information on using MESH in your search, contact an e-billing librarian for assistance. For now, the important thing to remember is applying the article type filter searches in the MESH field for the corresponding publication type. The filter option for systematic reviews is the one notable exception to this rule. When you select the systematic review filter, it runs a complex search strategy behind the scenes. So for systematic reviews, it is usually best to just check the box. For all other article types, you will only retrieve citations that have had subject headings assigned. Any newer EPUB ahead of print articles that haven't been fully indexed yet will not appear in your search results. If you want to retrieve these non-indexed citations, you can search by keywords for the study methodology in PubMed. PubMed will automatically include the MESH term for the study design in your search as well, so this is the more comprehensive approach. Both approaches are reasonable. The filter box has more precision, but searching for the study methodology may get you more results. Another reason to search for the research methodology is that you may not see a study design that you want from the article type filter. An example of this is the cohort study, which is not specified as an article type, but cohort is a MESH term that you can search for by adding the phrase cohort study into your search box. Another option to easily find information related to your clinical question is to use PubMed's clinical queries. From PubMed's main search screen, click on the Clinical Queries link under the Find column. Once you're on the Clinical Queries page, you can enter your keywords and click the Search button to see your results. Within the clinical studies, you can choose categories such as therapy, etiology, diagnosis, prognosis, or clinical prediction guides. You can also change the scope from broad to narrow to improve the specificity of your results. Thank you for watching this tutorial on strategies to find the highest quality evidence to answer your clinical question. If you have questions or would like additional help searching the databases, please contact an e-billing librarian for assistance.